So here we are with our regular guy, DIY or mortal person, about to use our rear seal installer on a Subaru EJ crankshaft in the bell housing. First, we're going to take our SAE 30 oil and lube the rim of the crankshaft, just like so. And then we're going to take our rear seal and place it in position carefully. Then we're going to take our rear seal installer tool from ASF Machine, RSI EJ 1.0, and install that on the back of the crank. Make sure that the holes register with the crank bolt holes. And then we're going to take 4 of our 10 by 1.0 metric flywheel bolts and lightly install them. Okay, now that those are finger tight, you see that we're just kind of flat and parallel on there, and you can see that the center of the crankshaft is registering on the hole on the back. Now we're going to take our 14mm 3/8 drive socket and install it as if it were, say, a 4-lug wheel, and just work it down gradually. We start in one position, then we work our way across, just like you would a wheel, to distribute the force evenly of the press tool. Take care to make sure that you're going down evenly, as we are. And it just keeps the tension equal all the way around the press. As you can see, there's no hammering, no cussing, no garter springs flying anywhere, no busted knuckles, and we're not using a hammer, we're using a tool. It's normal as you work your way across to have to bring the bolts that are perpendicular to the direction you're working back down, just using your fingers, bringing them back to finger tight, and then work them back down with the press action of running the flywheel bolt down on the 6061 aluminum press. We're almost there. As you can see with the small profile of this tool, if you were working in a bell housing, say you're doing a clutch and you don't have a lot of room to swing said hammer, this would come in very, very handy. And as you can see, these knuckles here have no blood on them. No need to reef or use a torque wrench on this. It simply bottoms out when it's installed all the way. And as you can see, Everything's plenty snug. The center of the tool is engaged on the crankshaft, and if you look on the side here, we've got our depth set and our rear seal is installed.